Welcome to Soothing Pod's Daily Meditation. With today's meditation, we'll explore how to step out of FOMO and step into JOMO, the joy of missing out. Begin by finding a comfortable seat. Let your eyes gently close. And as you adjust your position, let your back straighten without creating tension. Remain alert and present, and at the same time, let your body and face relax. Now take a few deep inhales and exhales. Drawing the breath in, feel your lungs and ribs expand. And soften all the way through your exhales. Now, allow your breathing to settle once more. Feel your effortless inhales and exhales. And begin to notice where your breath is at its clearest. Perhaps you feel it more as it passes through your nostrils. In the rise and fall of your chest. Or as your belly expands and releases. Without overthinking it, simply let your awareness rest in one of these places. Follow the movement of your breath, gently focusing on wherever you feel it with ease. Inevitably, your mind will wander. Whenever that happens, just note the thought or distraction and guide your attention back to your body breathing. Without judgment, lovingly return to the feeling of your breath moving in and moving out. Now let your attention soften. Scrolling through social media posts, we can't help but notice the amazing concert we missed, the beautiful backyard party we said no to, or the brand new gallery opening we weren't invited to attend. Fear of missing out, or FOMO, creeps in, leaving us feeling disappointed and disconnected, and can easily lead to unfulfilled expectations and anxiety. But what if we consciously choose to replace FOMO with JOMO, the joy of missing out? When we turn down an invitation or say no to an opportunity, we do so for a reason. Perhaps we're tired and need to rest, or maybe we have other plans or commitments. By reconnecting with why we chose to say no in the first place, we can better reap the benefits of that decision. Instead of focusing on what we're not doing, we can anchor into the moment and enjoy what we actually are doing. So, rather than feeling you'd be better off doing something else, try tuning into this moment. Turn off your news feed. Put your phone down. Be fully present with whatever you're doing. Take the time to recharge and learn to enjoy missing out. Now gently return to your breath. Begin to make small movements. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.